We have to take the Autobahn. A basic family car in Germany, M3 wagon. Very nice. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. And in today's video, we're using the Calimoto app. Not sponsored whatsoever, but my best buddy Mike was like, hey, Calimoto app. You gotta use the Calimoto app. I was like, not really sure about that. I also have some BMW GS company with me. I have no idea how to do this. It just joined me for a couple of seconds here. But yeah, the Calimoto app. You can just enter how many kilometers you want to ride. Today I took 500 kilometers and make it curvy. And you want to go north, southeast, northwest, whatever. And you just tap like, okay. And it just makes you like a nice scenic route to the east or the north or whatever you just entered. So that is pretty nice. Now I have entered going to the east. So I'm going to the Netherlands, and then he's going to ride me to Germany and show me some cool places. So tag along for today's journey. Let's go. Now this is what I love so much about these adventure motorcycles. You can just be like, hey, there's like a sandy road, and you can just go into it and check out what's over there. If there's nothing there, you can just, throw the bike around, do it like that. A little bit of wheel spin there. It's all okay. I have the right tires. And if you're not that good at doing wheelies with a motorcycle, yeah, the Honda DCT Africa Twin is absolutely perfect, because when you just full throttle it like this, it just does wheelies by its own. It's absolutely perfect. And that was like full throttle, so it's like, it's not like coming up like a crazy asshole, because you only got like 102 horsepower. But yet again, I've said this so many times before, this is not a slow motorcycle. 102 horsepower, 1100 cc's, the colors, god dang it. Look at the speedometer. Look at the speedometer when I full throttle it. It's gonna shift back probably 2 gears. Look at that, look at that. That is not slow. That is not slow, ladies and gentlemen. That is not slow whatsoever. Oh no, a train. Now, I still have to figure out if I can change the suspension settings. Oh, shit. Oh, here we go. Pow. I still can't see why some people are so stupid to ignore these things when they go down, though. Yeah. Anyway, so I still have to figure out how to set the suspension settings, because the soft version of this electronic suspension is just like so good. It's a little bit bouncy. It's like a Cadillac. It's like a Rolls Royce. It's like a very bouncy. If you want to do some corners into the mountains, you have to put it into tour mode, because tour mode is the hard one. It's a little harder and it's a little more tight, just the way I like it. That's what she said. But yeah, I still gotta figure that out. It's a touchscreen though, but you can't really do anything with it when you're riding. So it turns out I need to take a ferry, which looks to be closed for some reason. Wait, is it leaving? Can I still go on? Can I still go on, please? Yes, there's just one more. Look at me. Look at me. Oh yes, there's still one more. Okay, that is perfect. I have no idea where this ferry thing is going, but that'd be nice. Okay, thank you so much, sir. I'm going on. Like, well, that is thank you in Dutch. Oh, I'm guessing we're just going to the other side, though. Yeah, I do wonder how much it costs. €1.85 to get to the other side. All right, I do like that. And just like that, en route, ladies and gentlemen. What's going on here? Now, I was just wondering myself if I was already in Germany or not. But watching the lights go from red to orange to green, ready to go like a freaking race light, I kind of knew I was in Germany though, so gotta love Germany. A little drag race here. Oh yeah, it's gonna go from red to orange to green. Gotta full throttle this. Let's do a launch control. The bike doesn't really have a launch control, just like it doesn't have a clutch, but let's go. Let's go to orange. Go. And that's 100. That's 100. Yeah. Hey, it didn't come up this time. That's strange. Drag race versus a BMW M3. Let me hear that, puppy boy. Let me hear that. Let's see how fast this thing is. That's not really that fast. I thought it was gonna be a lot faster. Oh, what a bummer. What a bummer, though. What a bummer. All right, we got a German wedding going on. Look at that. The guys over here, all in the back. Nobody's saying hi. Oh, they're not. It's not a German wedding. It's not a German wedding. I'm sorry. They're like field workers. They're like foreign field workers. Most of the time, it's like Polish and Romanian people. No idea. I think they were like Polish or Romanian, and they work on the fields here. Yeah, trying to get a better life. I hope they do. I hope they do. It's not a German wedding, though. What in the world? What is going on here? Germany is sometimes it's just so weird. Also, I just saw a guy halfly naked on a motorcycle. I do wonder if there's anybody from Germany watching. What is the mandatory clothes you have to have on a motorcycle? I think he was like riding a shorts and a t-shirt. So in Belgium you have to be like fully covered. In the Netherlands you can just ride in a G-string with only a helmet. So what's going on with Germany? What is mandatory clothing for a motorcycle in Germany? Let me know in the comments. I'm turning back right here. I saw a subway sign. I think it's some Subway sandwiches here. They have like a steak Subway. Looks kind of abandoned though. Not really sure if there's nobody here. I don't really want to. It's looking kind of abandoned though. It's probably not, but wait, there's somebody inside. There's somebody inside. Okay, I'm going for Subway sandwich.
Ich hole einen Philly Beef, ein Cheese and eine Wasser.
Hast du einen Bon? Getränk einfach rausnehmen.
Gassenbon kann ich nicht essen.
Philly cheesesteak for the win. Yeah, buddy. Now, the main problem with me trying to speak German is that when I try to speak German, they actually believe I'm German, and then they start speaking German to me back again, and then I don't understand anymore. Yeah, kind of weird with my languages. Happened last time again when I was in Germany also. Anyway, let's find a nice spot to eat. No, do not pair my headsets or any headsets. I do not need to pair anything up. I already connected my phone. Anyway, let's find a nice spot to eat. Now, when it comes to my food, I'm always a little bit weird. And, look at that. That's what I mean. And when I'm up to food, I don't like to eat inside of buildings. And I just take them out and then I just start riding. And I'm just like, hey, let's just find a spot near water. So I just keep on riding until that gate was open. Until I find a spot that has some water like that on a GPS. And then I just start looking for some spot to eat in the shade. That's how I like to eat, in peace, quiet, and Mother Nature. Let's find something here. Aha! Open spots. We have some water over there. All right, this is gonna be the spot. Somewhere, hopefully. So the sun is over there, so I should be on the downside of the. Ooh, that is a lot of water though. That is a lot of water though. That is nice. Okay. Let's find a nice spot to eat here. This seems good enough though. I have no idea what city I'm in, but I'm happy with that. Alright. Getting settled in here, boys. Nice. Golly. Philly cheesesteak. That's some good stuff though. Now of course I just googled where I am. Does anybody know where I am? Anybody? Nope. That was nice though. Alrighty then. That was a nice dinner though. Besides, location was absolutely perfect. Besides this being on the edge of a very big city. I thought it was going to an airplane about to crash over there, but turns out it's just the airport. Anyway, boom. Always the same. Let's continue the journey. There's a very nice bridge right over there. It also got rainbow benches. Nice. It's very colorful for a city. Very colorful. Wow, look at that. A basic family car in Germany. M3 wagon. Very nice. Very nice. Do like that. Holy moly, the amount of traffic stops in the city. There's one there, two there, This is like 3, then there is 4, then there is 5. Two dimension, that is 32 degrees. The bike's not giving off a lot of heat though, that's a good thing. Golly. Sweaty butt crack. Yuck. Driving slowly, head down all the time. Or she's giving somebody the D, or she's on her phone. I think it's the phone one. Hey, wait a second. Hey, I was down there somewhere a couple of minutes ago. Aha! Alright, nice. I have no idea what just happened, but the inner part of my visor just came off randomly. Alright. Something was sticking in my eye. I think like that is not normal. Alright. Volkswagen Sinaforlia. Never heard of that before. Looks like some kind of camping trailer or something, I don't know. Now, it turns out that the Kelimoto app, well, it's the route that I took right now has a 38 score. Yeah, Kelimoto actually gives scores for routes, how many bends and corners and ups and downs there are, and they give like a 38 for the route I'm riding right now. So it's not, I've seen some cool stuff, but it's not really like, very nice. So next time I'm gonna look for like a 75 or an 80 point. What in the world is this, dude? I mean, why? Why? You don't have... It is freaking dangerous. It's probably hot on that polyester. Anyway, everybody has to do whatever they want to do. But, I mean, the Kelimoto app, yeah, 38 points for this route. It's not all that. So I'm like, I'm making a circle, and I'm thinking like, I'm in Germany. Pigeon! We have to take the Autobahn. We have to do a 0 to 200 kilometers an hour. So let's find the Autobahn. 33 degrees. 33 degrees. I'm sweating my balls off here. I need more wind. Oh, nice. I'm not used to that. A little bit weird to get the screen up because you need your two hands. If you're doing it with one hand, it's like a weird move. You need two hands for that. Like that. There we go. We got like 5 settings, but it's hard to do with one hand. You need like 2 hands. Safety first at Honda. You gotta put into sport. Oh, it shifts back 2 gears. Nice. Okay, a little bit of Autobahn right here. Alright, let's go. Oh, this thing rips. This thing really rips for 102 horsepower. God dang it. Anyway, come on. We gotta do a 0 to 200. Come on, let's go. Alright, let's give it a... Oh, you wait. Let's do a casual 200 here. Not really sure how fast these knobby tires can go, but 180, comfortable as can be. Carving away. God dang it. This is nice though. This is nice. Let's do a 200 run. 190. Yeah, easy 200. Easy 200. Not sure about the tire though. A lot of knobby tires have a maximum speed of 160 kilometers an hour, like the Continental TKC 80 and stuff like that. Yeah, there was a couple off-road knobby tires. You got to be careful with the top speed though. But I'm not really sure if this one has one too. But you got to be a bit careful. Yeah. I'm not really sure, but I got the feeling I was at this exact same gas station last week with the other Honda. That would be like a pure coincidence because I don't really have any idea where I'm at, but that would be like very, very weird. Anyway, a 0 to 200. Let's try it again. If it works or not, I'm not really sure. It's very busy on the highway again, but we gotta try. Make sure nobody's coming. Alright. Visor closed. 0 to 200 kilometers an hour. Honda Africa Twin 2024. God dang it. 0 to 200 kilometers an hour. God dang it. Now, being on the Autobahn is all fun and games, but it turns out that my fuel gauge is going down fairly quickly. I'm also trying to find a menu that actually tells me how many kilometers I still got. Because it only says like 1 block, I'm not really sure how much that is, to be honest. Oh, there we go. Range 121 kilometers with only one block. Holy shizzle, that is a lot. I could even get home with that. I didn't know that. I did not know that. That is nice. Golly, that is a lot. God, time for another drink. I feel like Jimmy McGill's Saul Goodman that has been spending 3 days in the freaking desert in New Mexico. Golly. I have no idea what this dead space is, but there is some dead space at this gas station that makes no sense. You see that? It's like, it doesn't fit a car. It does fit a bike, but it's not. Oh, that's weird. Anyway, it's my spot now. All right, one AA, a quick Red Bull. Oh, that Red Bull. Wait, oh, look at that. I can also kick it down. I don't really have to like push the button. Everybody's like, automatic gearboxes and this and that, but it's not really, it's like a quick shifter. I'm not gonna use anything, I'm just gonna use my foot here. Look, second gear, and I'm back at the fourth gear, going back to second gear with my foot. Look, here we go. I am just shifting up like a quick shifter. How about them apples? All right, back off the highway so the screen can go down. Thank God for cruise control. Pow, 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 pow. Oh, here we go. Nice. Have you guys ever seen a fighter jet on a stick? Look at that monster. Golly. Still on my bucket list though, just being in a fighter jet. I think it's pretty hard to do that, but you know, you never try, you never win. Yep. I know that this is very controversial, but today I have been skipping and saying hello to like over 30-40 dudes on scooters, like motorcycle scooters, from 125 to 300s. I have no idea what's inside, but all of them are like saying hello, and I'm like doing the motorcycle move, like 2 fingers down and 2 fingers up. I don't know. I'm saying hi again. I'm just saying hi back because I'm a friendly person. But are you saying hello to dudes on scooters? Because I don't have a clutch. Is this a big scooter as well? I don't know. So if there's a big scooter guy coming from the other side, are you saying hello if you're on your motorcycle or not? Like these Vespa 300s and whatnot, Piaggio stuff, or not? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments. I wonder. I do wonder. Kind of lost here. Doesn't really matter. A trail, more or less. Nice. And just like that, I'm back, baby. Golly, that is almost 500 kilometers in a single day. I only stopped 3 times, all small B roads. God dang it, this thing is good. Sometimes I really hate saying it, but this thing looks so good. It sounds so good. It has more than enough power. I have to say something. It's my new favorite bike. Yep, even above the 1300 GS, even above my Super Adventure. The only thing I love more about my Super Adventure is that it can pop wheelies at 130, 140 kilometers an hour. But besides that, God dang it, that bike is good. Yeah, I know, I'm just as confused as you guys, but I might buy it. I have no idea what I'm doing with myself, but anyway, that is that for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like, subscribe, because I'm taking this bike next week for 3 days, probably to Germany, some traveling as well. Can't stop riding it. Anyway, let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, drive safe. See ya. If you want to see the next video, it is right over there. If you want to see my favorite video, it is right over there. Subscribing is done right over here. And if you want to know all about YouTube, go to smokeytube.com. See you guys next one, or click one of these.